Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Sorry I can't be with you today. It's going to be Thursday, the 8th. I'm at a funeral today, so that's why I'm not in class. But you all should still be working on your cell phone case design. Remember, it is one piece. It needs to be able to latch onto your phone. So that's the biggest thing I'm noticing. You guys need to be able that it fits the back and it fits down the sides, which is great. The phone will fit in it, but how does it stay on the phone without it falling off? So think about how it's going to like attach to the edge a little bit. Plastic does have some give. So if you create that lip or whatever, you should be able to slide your phone into the case no matter what. Or maybe you'll create edges at the corners, whatever you prefer to do, but you have to keep that in mind. Also, keeping in mind that it's got to ventilate. You've got to be able to ventilate your phone, or else it'll overheat. You need to also leave room for the cameras, the buttons, the microphones, the speakers. You can't cover those up or everything will be muffled. Keep all of those things in mind. Create a cool design on the back. Do not just leave it boring. Not only will it help ventilate the phone, but it also looks cool. That is what you're working on. Again, when you submit, you're submitting a screenshot of a fully dimensioned drawing, front, top, right side, isometric. And I want to see the dimensions because that'll let me know if I think it'll fit your phone, if we could 3D print it possibly. So keep all those things in mind. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a Schoology message. I might not answer them again at a funeral, but I'll do my best. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and a great weekend. Bye, everybody.